Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be reviewing the latest microwave offering from Samsung Company, the MW2031U. This household microwave oven is made in Korea and is UL listed to standard 725F. In addition, this product complies with DHHS Rules 21 CFR search. As Samsung's flagship model, the MW2031U is packed with features such as this durable wooden outer casing, 800,000 megapixel front-facing camera, and this handy cooking guide with all the most common types of foods: chicken, ground beef, fish, hamburger, bacon, and hot dogs. Let's do a performance test of this model by cooking a meal under real-world test conditions. Okay, here's our test bacons. Let's just check the cooking guide. Okay, bacon quantity for 3 to 4 minutes. Looks like our microwave has completed cooking the bacon. And that looks delicious. Well, the bacons were delicious. Good work, microwave. With performance like that, we can see that Samsung has really been turning up the heat on its main competitor, the Nokia P90X. So in conclusion, for unparalleled cooking performance at a reasonably decent price, look no further than the Samsung MW2031U.